Hi guys, and welcome to my getting ready for college video. So basically, if you don't know yet, I will be commuting, so I will just be staying in my old room, and I just decided to deep clean it because there was so much trash from high school and all papers, and I just took this day to make sure that I got rid of everything that I no longer needed, just to make sure that I was in a clear space, both physically and mentally, for college. I also went to IKEA and picked up one of these fabric shelving units because most of my closet is just hanging space and I needed some shelves. I'm so scared that it's gonna fall down at some point. Not only did I reorganize my closet, I also reorganized my drive and my entire Spotify account because there were too many playlists on there. Obviously, I also needed some new school supplies, so I got these page flags, some new mouth liners. I was in London the other week, so I went to Muji and picked up these two notebooks and two pens.